Good morning, Sunday.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us again this morning. I hope you've had a nice Saturday night and you're doing something exciting today. So, Jack, you go first.
Alrighty, what do we got? Who we got, I should say. No. A question from IP Crew. And they ask, what has the real estate industry taught you?
So this is my 11th year now, going into this month, February. So the real estate industry has really taught me to be a lot more patient than what I was.
Yeah.
And I think also to be very compassionate to people's situations.
Yeah.
We work with a lot of clients who are all dealing with different situations at their time in life for whatever reason that they're selling. And so I think it's just taught me a lot of compassion and a lot of patience to be able to pull myself back from a situation and look at it differently and just understand how I can better help someone as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think for me it's definitely how to problem solve.
Okay.
All different owners and landlords for me have different reasons why they're investments. It could be their home that they're coming back to in a year. It could be the fact that they're just an investor and they want to maximise that money as much as possible. So it's more important about the rent than the tenant. So it's different scenarios and just adapting to those people. And then if issues do arise, it's about solving them for the client as best we can. Not just owners, but tenants as well, and coming to reasonable solutions.
Okay, next question is, do you have any pets?
We
go
have
first.
a Labrador
Yeah,
called Pumpkin.
a very expensive
Yes, a very expensive Labrador who has recently gone through multiple surgeries. And what about you? Do you have any pets?
Yeah, well, most people that know us know that we're a little bit obsessed with our dog and our cat. So the dog is Cody.
Yeah.
He is a mixed cattle dog. We adopted him when he was 4 years old.
Yep.
And we've got Boots the cat, and he's a ragdoll cross.
Yep.
And we recently had to shave him because he had to go into the vet for an operation. So we said, shave all his hair off so he looks like a bit of a rat. So thanks, guys, for watching again. Hope you've got a nice Sunday ahead planned. And again, if you have any questions for us, send us a private message. And also I want to send a big shout out and thank you to Walton's Pantry for putting us up. It's a beautiful day here today. So if you've ever thought about coming down to this cafe and trying the food, a Sunday morning, it is beautiful.
And you
any
can bring your
morning.
dog?
Yes, and you can bring your pet still. Maybe don't bring the cat.
No. Unless you leave, then that's a bit weird.
Yeah,
But you can either
Bring
way.
your dogs.
So.
Bring your dogs. So have a nice day, everyone. See you.